Hey guys, and welcome to another quick help video. Today we have our 4-channel Hikvision PoE NVR, and we're going to be running through the setup wizard. Okay, so let's get straight to it. And if you did want some more help on this NVR, we've got loads of videos in the links below and on our channel to check it out. So let's run through it, and we're going to need a password. So I'm entering a password now, and I don't recommend using this password, guys. Use a mixture of capitals and symbols. Okay. Now, because this is an IP setup, when you plug in a camera, if it's a brand new unactivated camera, it's going to take the NVR password. So you can either use the admin password, or you can make your own camera activation password. But if you're not very sure what to do, then just leave it as use the device password. Okay, so just one password for everything. And now if you want to pop in your email just in case you forget your password, go ahead and do that. But I advise you guys, really don't forget your password. You're gonna have a lot of problems in the future if you do forget it. Okay, so that's all set up now, and then let's activate the device. Now it's active. Let's finish off the wizard. So we're going to draw a pattern. You don't have to draw one, just click on do not use unlock pattern if you want. Okay, we're going to do a nice Z. So it saves us entering our password all the time. Okay, we set the time here. So we select our region. Okay, you can select NTP, which will take it from the internet. But we're just going to select our UK time. And if you do select NTP, make sure you select daylight savings time as well, or it won't be right. Let's go next. Okay, so this is for going online. So if you're not too sure what DHCP is, make sure it's ticked. Ours is perfect. Alright, now this is the second part of going online. Okay, so make sure your NVR is obviously plugged into the internet. We're going to click on enable, go OK, and we're going to set this verification code on here. We're going to make it the same as everything. So this will be the code it asks you for when you have the app. So the app to use is Hik-connect, or you can use Hikvision, which is on the App Store. Hik-connect is not on the App Store, so check the links below for more information about that. So now we've enabled our app, we've put our verification code in, bind status says no. Okay, so if that says yes, then make sure you can remove it from here. If you're getting problems in your app with bind, just check out the link below. And it says offline. Okay, so what a little trick here is, guys, you go next and then come back. Oh, boom, it's gone online. Okay, amazing. So now our device is online. You can go ahead and add the device using your serial number. You can scan the code. There's many ways to add it. So we'll check the links below for more help. All right, guys, so we'll go next. All right, this is where you can add IP cameras that are on the network. Okay, so we've got a few IP cameras here on the network, but we are going to do a separate video for that one. I'll leave the links below. We're just going to go for next for now. Okay, so it's our hard drive. Okay, guys, so this is a used hard drive, so you might have so it might look a little bit different here. What you have to do is select your hard drive, click on initialize or INIT, it'll be something like that, go OK, and it's going to start initializing the hard drive. Okay, so this is a 4 terabyte hard drive we have installed here, and the capacity is just under that 3.7 terabytes. Okay, so after it's initialized, it should say something like normal or RW. If it says abnormal, guys, you're going to have a problem. It means you have a faulty hard drive, okay? Or if it doesn't show anything here at all, you're going to have a faulty hard drive if you've plugged one in. Okay, so that's good. This means it's ready for it to be written to. Hard drive's all good. And that's the end of the wizard, guys. So thanks for watching that. And for more advice on this NVR and other devices, please check out our channel, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you another one. Thanks, bye bye.